Hi, my name's Simon Brampton. Born in England, I lived in Ireland for 11 years, and since 1989, I've been based in Spain. And what do we call someone who speaks one language? No, British.
Me han pedido que hiciera esta charla en español, ¿vale? También conocido como castellano, ¿vale? Tengo un máster de la Universidad de Barcelona en la que ahorita se llamaba la manipulación de grupos. No, terapia de grupos. Exacto.
My mission and life purpose have always been to educate in a dynamic and engaging way and to entertain. Because people learn better when they're having fun. Over the years, I've taught English, done accent coaching, and trained professionals in voice, public speaking, and communication skills. Being a speaker and learner myself, and a father, means I bring real-life experience to my coaching. When I speak, I always put the audience first, delivering engaging topics with humour and energy.
Wow! Okay, doesn't deserve an applause, thank you.
And practical takeaways you can use right away. I like to challenge assumptions and offer new ways of thinking about work, life, and communication.
Everything you have done in your life until now has been, because it's present perfect, has been wrong. Totally.
Because I want every talk and every workshop to be an experience, something that people will remember always.
I'm going to tell you how to memorize the words forever! Really?
That's why my motto is simple: teach, inspire, entertain.
See ya!